I've been running a GoFundMe page for a little while, raising money for Australian bushfire relief. And we hit $30,000 yesterday, and I really wanted to hit $40,000, so I posted a video and I said to everyone that if we hit $40,000 by the time my hair appointment comes around today, I will have my hair dyed pink to celebrate. Now, I have never changed my hair colour. I've only ever gone from red to more red. I think that it was a pretty good incentive for people to want to donate. So it's 7:27 a.m. I'm going to check GoFundMe and see if we've hit the goal or if we're close to hitting the goal. My hair appointment is at 10:30, so it's 7:30 now, so we've got a couple of hours to go. If we haven't hit it yet, we do still have a couple of hours to go. So, let's see. $39,000. We are $1,000 away, guys. I think it might happen. I think it may just happen. I think I am going to come away from this video with pink hair. So, I gotta get ready now. I will keep checking, but I have a good feeling that we may just hit it. And if we don't hit it by the time I arrive at the salon, I probably still have about an hour or so to toy with because they'll need to wash my hair and stuff. So, stick around to the end of the video to see what colour hair I come away with. Alright guys, so I'm just down the road from the salon. My appointment is in 1/4 to freckle, and I thought I would just give you a little bit of an explanation about my hair before I say goodbye to the colour. I really don't touch my hair very often at all. I haven't had a haircut since 2006 when I went into year 7 at school, my first year of high school. I had hair that went right down to my butt, and I thought, you know what, I'm going into high school, it's time for a change, so I got it cut all the way up to here, and I regretted it every single day after that. And I was so sad and distraught, and I said to myself, I'm never cutting my hair again. And it's been, is that 2006. So 10 would be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 14 years. I've had a couple of little trims here and there because the ends got really awful and split, but it took that long for my hair to get from this length down to, actually it was down to about here at one point before I started losing weight. I lost about 50 kilos, and along with that I lost most of my hair. I used to be able to put my hair in a ponytail and it was about that thick. It was beautiful and luscious, and then when I was losing weight I also lost my hair, so this is all I have left, and I'm obviously very protective of it because it took such a long time to grow. I've only ever bleached it once in my life. That was just after my wedding in August. I had never touched my hair with bleach before, and I decided, okay, you know what, I'm going to bleach it after I get married. and then I just went orange. I went from red to orange because I couldn't commit to a huge change. So obviously today, if we hit the $40,000 goal, it's going to be pink by the end of the day. If we don't hit it, I'm just going to leave it red, but I'll get Natsumi to refresh the color, maybe still bleach it and just sort of turn it orange and put some rainbows in there or something. And anyway, I'm scared and I'm nervous, and I'm also really, really excited. I've been checking the GoFundMe all morning and it keeps going up and up and up. So I have a good feeling that things are gonna go well and we might just hit the goal. So anyway, this is it, guys. So I want you to say goodbye to the red. It won't be gone forever. I can guarantee I will be going back to red for sure because I love being a redhead. But I think the fact that we're going pink for a good cause, I'm really, really excited. Obviously pink is my favorite color. Hopefully it matches my aesthetic. I don't know if it's going to suit me. I really don't mind if it doesn't suit me. It's only hair, it's not that deep. If I look ridiculous, I can always put red color over the top of it, and it's not like pink won't turn into red. Like blue won't turn into red, but pink will easily change back to my natural color if I want it to. So say goodbye. This is it, guys. This is it. Going into the appointment now. Wish me luck. I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too.
Have you seen on Instagram? Did you see what I was doing?
Yeah.
So do you know a little bit about what's happening in Australia? We have the fires in Australia.
I know.
So I'm raising money for the fires for charity. And I said to everyone on Instagram, if we raise 40,000 Australian dollars, I'll turn my hair pink.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, obviously you guys will find out at the end of the video if we hit the goal or not. If we don't hit $40,000 on the fundraiser, we're just going to stay red and maybe do rainbows. But if we do hit the $40,000, we go pink.
Okay,
So,
true.
yeah.
Okay.
So
I
it's a
understand.
surprise for you guys, and I'll keep you posted because I can see online how much money has been raised so far. Last time I checked, 39,800. So we only need $200 more. Yeah. So I think it's going to happen. I think we're going pink.
Okay.
I'm so
sure.
excited.
Yay.
Okay. Very excited.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel spoiled. I have two people doing my hair at once. My hair looks silver or grey. I was thinking of going blonde, and I said to the people online, should I go blonde or pink? And they all said pink.
yeah, every people.
You agree? I look like Draco Malfoy.
Potter. Oh, my father will hear about this.
I'm going to have to figure out a new colour for my eyebrows because I always do my eyebrows red to match my hair. But I don't know, do people with pink hair have pink eyebrows? I don't know. Do you know Game of Thrones?
No, I
You don't know? Ding! Shame! So I'm waiting for 3 minutes, guys. So we've got a treatment in here. I've been wanting to go short for quite some time, so I think it's time that I, let go of the safety blanket of not having a haircut for such a long time. Wow. Looks gold. Alright guys, so we're at the point in the video now where you don't know what's going to happen because I haven't told you what colour we're doing because I haven't checked the fundraiser. So I'm going to check that, and if we've hit 40,000 then we're going pink. If we haven't hit 40,000 we're going just bright orange again with some rainbows. So this is the part of the video where you have to wait patiently to see the outcome. So enjoy this nice montage. Because this video is about raising money for Australian animals, this is a song, a Japanese children's song,
Oh, really?
about an Australian animal. Ready? 僕のうんちかわいいうんち四角い転がらない縄張りをしわせる形コロコロコロコロ転がらないポコポコポコポコポコポコポコポコ自慢のうんち僕のお尻硬いお尻噛んでも痛くない僕のお尻邪魔せるやつはパッパッパッパッ砕えちゃうプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリ自慢のお尻お尻ばっかでごめんねあ僕はまんま可愛いけれどお尻やめてねプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリプリ自慢のお尻ウォンバットのうんこは四角い
Okay, I think so. Thank you, Mom. Are you ready to see?
It's so different! And I have bangs now. Very last minute addition bangs. That was not in the plan, but it happened and I'm not mad about it. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Natsumi.
Thank you so much.
What a huge change.
Yeah, so cute for you.
You think it's cute?
Yeah, it's so cute.
It's so cute. We
Yeah.
cut off a fair bit, right?
Yeah,
Cut
yeah.
off like this much.
Yeah, this much.
Yeah. What do you think, guys? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and also don't forget to follow Natsumi on
thank
Instagram.
you.
We'll put her Instagram down below. She's number 76 Makina, and Salon Nalu as well. Give them a follow too. And thank you so much to everyone that donated and helped us to hit the $40,000 goal. Without you guys, the pink hair would never have happened. Actually, without Natsumi as well, the pink hair would never have happened. You did an incredible job, Natsumi. I love it
you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Alright guys, so that's it, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I just wanted to check in one last time. It is Thursday, 3:50 p.m. So I got my hair done yesterday. The appointment went from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Natsumi was working on my hair for hours and hours and hours. I'm really happy with the outcome. I'm still getting used to it. I woke up this morning and didn't recognize myself in the mirror, but I'm really happy. I love how the color turned out. I just wanted to say the biggest thank you in the world to everyone that donated. I just checked GoFundMe and we have $43,095 has been raised. So I only asked for 40 for the goal, but it's been smashed now. An extra $3,000 has somehow made its way to the GoFundMe. So thank you to everyone that's donated. You guys are absolutely incredible. Now with the money from GoFundMe and with the money from my fundraiser that I hosted last weekend, we've got almost $60,000 that we've raised. So it's absolutely incredible. I can't thank you guys enough. I know that I want to donate to Wires, Wildlife Victoria, Wildlife in South Australia. I want money to go to the firefighters in New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia as well. And then of course I also wanted it to go to the victims, but there's this big scandal going on with the Red Cross right now. I'll put a link to the article down below. So anyway, I will keep you guys constantly updated. Please keep an eye on my Instagram. That's where I'll be posting all the updates. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like the new hair. I love it. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Mwah!